My name is Rahla Begum. I have been coming CWTC for last 2 months. I just come from Manchester Science Museum. We went there by tram with my kids. They enjoy so much. We get to see how do they made clothes from cotton there, and it was so fascinating. And also we saw so many machine, old car, and we had a lunch there also. I get to meet some my new friend, and overall it was a nice and amazing trip. Thank you CWTC and Greg's Foundation for this making happen. I will definitely recommend my friend and the other people to join CWTC group. Thank you.
My name is Salamata. Today I'm going the Simon. I thank you for them. I am very happy and lot the friend here is supporting me very good. Thank you.